good evening ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JFK Airport. The local time here is just coming up to 11:15 in the evening. For your own safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt signs. As the exits and aisles need to remain clear, we'll return any items we've stowed for you as soon as the aircraft reaches the gate. When you're opening the overhead lockers, please be careful as items can fall out and cause injury. Before leaving your seat, you'll need to check that you have all your belongings. Remember to check in the seat pocket for mobile phones and other personal items you might have stowed in there. You'll also need your passport and any other documentation ready for the authorities so that you won't be delayed. If you've requested assistance, please stay in your seat until most of our other customers have left the plane. We'll then be able to help you to make your way to our ground agents at the aircraft door. Just a reminder that smoking is not allowed until you've reached a designated smoking area, which may be outside the terminal building. If you'd like to make a donation to Change for Children, we'll collect it at the door. Please don't leave it in your seat pocket. We're really looking forward to welcoming you back on board soon. Don't forget that you can check in online at virginatlantic.com. It really has been our pleasure having you on board this flight with us on Christmas Day. Have a safe and enjoyable trip, and thank you for choosing to fly with Virgin Atlantic. A very good evening to you all.